Do you know what is the procedure to conduct the arbitral proceedings? Come, let's learn it quickly. This is given under section 23 to 27. 23. Statement of claim and defense. The statement of claim and defense given by both the parties should be completed within 6 months from the date of arbitrator receiving the notice of appointment. The next section is section number 24. Hearings on written pleadings. Tribunal will hear the claims of both the parties. Tribunal can hear oral arguments also. All the statements and documents given by one party will be communicated to the other party. Section 25. Default of a party. If a party defaults in performing any of the acts, the tribunal may take actions as it may deem fit. If there is a failure to submit the statement of claim, tribunal will terminate the proceedings. If there is a failure to communicate the statement of defense, the tribunal shall continue the proceedings. If the party fails to produce evidence or fails to appear at oral hearing, the tribunal shall pass award as per the available evidence. The tribunal may appoint experts to report on specific issues. The parties should give access to the expert. The tribunal may apply to the court for assistance in taking evidence. The court will order to produce the evidence to the tribunal. Person refusing to give evidence will be guilty of contempt of the court.